How to use HDFC UPI. First of all, open the HDFC Mobile Banking app and log in using your customer ID and password or fingerprint, depending on your setup. Next, from the home page, tap on the Pay section. In the drop-down menu, choose the UPI payment option. This will take you to the UPI dashboard where you can link your bank account if you haven't done it already. Tap on Accept and Continue to proceed. Now, select a SIM that has your mobile number registered with HDFC Bank and tap on Verify Mobile Number. Once the verification is completed, tap Continue. Your UPI setup will now be complete. After that, tap on UPI payment to explore the available options like Send Money, Request Money, Scan and Pay, and Split Bill. To send money, tap on Send Money, enter the recipient's UPI ID, mobile number, or scan their QR code. Fill in the amount and the reason for payment. Then tap Continue and confirm the payment. To receive money, just share your UPI ID or QR code with the sender. You can also use the Request Money option and enter the required details to send a request. And that's it. Now you know how to use HDFC UPI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.